Hey, I'm Sean, Demo Master here at Internet Creations, and I'm bringing you some of my favorite packing tips for Dreamforce. First, let's pack for success. Make sure to bring a jacket or a sweatshirt. You'll see some variation in the weather during the week, and you want to make sure you're prepared. Also, bring an umbrella. The rain can come up at any moment. Finally, you'll be on your feet and walking for miles. Make sure you bring very comfortable shoes so that you can take care of yourself. Next, plan it out. Use Agenda Builder to plan your days ahead of time. You can do so by downloading the Dreamforce app on your phone. Don't forget your phone charger, and make sure to bring an extra power source in case you can't find an outlet. Don't burn out. Travel can get even the best of us. Don't forget the vitamin C. Make sure to bring the hand sanitizer. And of course, bring some snacks. Make sure to stay hydrated during the week. And I almost forgot. Make sure you bring some of these in case you have too many of these. Don't forget to bring these for when you need a little downtime. And finally, Dreamforce is the place to network, learn, and have fun. Bring those extra business cards for all the cool people you'll meet. And don't forget your party pants. Like these tips, you can get more by meeting with me at Dreamforce. Visit dreamforce.internetcreations.com. Steph, we're gonna need a bigger bag.